to a case that has drawn international attention. The suspect in the killing of 2 Israeli embassy staffers outside the D.C. Capitol Jewish Museum, pleading not guilty to all charges. Tonight, our Carl Willis speaking to a member of the Jewish community as we learn just how complicated this case could be.
The man accused of murdering 2 Israeli embassy staffers returned to court Thursday, pleading not guilty to the charges against him. The judge deeming the case complex, extending certain deadlines because of the mountain of evidence involved.
How is this a complex case? His hate-filled rhetoric was seen across his devices, his social media.
Jewish sociopolitical advocate Yuval David still processing the killing of Sarah Milgrim and Yaron Lischinsky, who were shot as they left an event at the Capitol Jewish Museum back in May. Suspect Elias Rodriguez saying he did it for Gaza.
I met Yaron the day before. I was a keynote speaker. The day after that, he was murdered by the exact things that I was warning about in my speech.
David is among those in the Jewish community reacting to the court proceedings and to the case being built on evidence that's said to include more than 1.5 million pages of data and an iPhone.
There's so much evidence. So the complexity is in the fact that these people exist. The complexity is in the fact that anti-Semitism is so normalized.
The day after the shooting, the now U.S. Attorney for the District of Columbia had this to say.
In cases where the death penalty is warranted and seems appropriate, we will use it. It's far too early to say whether that is the case, but this is a death penalty eligible case.
The Justice Department is reviewing whether it will pursue the harshest penalty possible. What do you think about that, the potential of a death penalty?
Yes, he deserves a death penalty. This is a federal hate crime. He went and attacked an event for young diplomats in our nation's capital. This isn't just some minor local crime.
Lawyers on both sides now have until December 5th to submit status reports outlining how the trial will proceed. Carl Willis, 7 News.